castle, since the thing that is to me the best and fairest is mine until dawn. And the day comes uncalled for. The dawn takes a new embrace away from me. The dawn, alas, the dawn. My friend, and wake and scream and sing, since I am rich and have what I most desire. But I am angry at the dawn. The sadness daylight brings us displeases me more than the dawn. The dawn, alas, the dawn. Keeper of the tower, against the jealous one, your lord wretched, more bothersome than the dawn. Since down here we discourse of love, but we are afraid of the dawn. The dawn, alas, the dawn. I cannot stay any longer. I must leave in spite of myself. How it grieves me, the dawn, which I see coming forth so quickly. The dawn means treachery. The dawn, alas.